this is a GB40 NOCO Boost Plus, and this is a portable jumpstart kit, and I highly suggest you keep one of these in your car. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. Like and share if you want to see it in action, because I'm sure you want to see how well it works. Trust me, it works great. You won't be disappointed. This will jumpstart any vehicle that you have easily. All right, here are some cool things. Obviously, you know about the jumpstart portion of this. You connect it to your battery pack, connect it to your battery, jumpstart your battery. But it also has a USB port on here, one for charging and one that actually charges your device. So if you're out, I don't know, hunting, skiing, fishing, whatever it is, you got a portable battery charger as well. And it also has a flashlight. You can see here, cool flashlight, different modes, different settings. If you're stranded on the side of the road, SOS, whatever. But cool little feature to have. It has a little pouch that you can drop all your stuff in, throw it in your trunk or whatever. Definitely keep this. Awesome to have. Now remember, like and share if you want to see how this thing actually will jumpstart your car.